Hey everyone, this is Mike from Landon Custom Classics. I'm going to show you how to use a manual tire machine to change your tires yourself. I forgot to bring my tires over here, so I already popped the bead on the other side. I'll show you how to do it with my manual bar on this side because my air part doesn't work on this machine. This is your bead breaker. You set her on here and just shove it down. And it'll pop the bead off. Also, you want to check and see which side the shallow ledge is, because some tires it's on the back, some it's on the front, and this is the side we're going to be pulling it off of. Now we got the bead broke, we're going to take this end of the bar, removes the tire. This will save you a lot of money. After this, you'll wonder why those tire places take so long and charge you so much money for this. I'm going to put a little Dawn and water on here. I keep it in a bottle here so I can spray it on. And then this other end of my bar is for putting the tire back on the rim. This little roller here is going to sit on here. We're going to put it in by the valve so we can start this, and we're not going near our valve stem where we'll hurt it. We're going to set the tire up on that roller, pull her around, push her on, keep it up on that roller, you get in trouble here. Oh, I got a bead coming over right here, so that'll happen sometimes. And I'll walk her away from you here. Then we're going to put our valve stem back in here. Then we're going to take this off. What I like to do to make my bead catch, I flip it over, smash it in, and then I'll just take it over to my compressor, fill her to the proper PSI. And then I actually have a bubble balance in my shop here. I'll probably do a video on that later. And I can set it on the bubble balance, put my weights on here, and balance the tire out myself. Well, thanks for tuning in. Have a good night.